Number 1. Fabric storage bag.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Number 2. Rotating grain dispenser. Number 3. 3PC set cosmetic storage box. Number 4. Cloth storage box. Number 5. Fruit storage box.
I don't know what you heard about me.